how to generate random password, which is a combination of character, digit, and punctuation. We have to import a string model, and then we have to import secret, SEC secrets, SECRETS secrets, and then let's define the character. You can write any name. I just happen to choose a character as a variable, so we're gonna string that ASCII character letter plus string dot digits string dot punctuation KUA punctuation. If you print this, you'll get a random number. That's a combination of ASCII value, which is A to G, and the digit 0 to 9, and all the punctuation characters. But as a password, let's try to minimize it. Maybe let's do the 10 or 15 character or 20 character. So for that, what we need to do, let's say password PSS password is equal to join ASCII secrets dash choice character for I in range. Let's do for 15 character, and then let's print the passport. Now this should give you the 15 digit passport. That's a combination of ASCII, digit, and punctuation. Let's save it and run it. JOIN. What it says was never closed. Run it. So we got the character, ASCII, digit, and the punctuation. If you want to go further, we can check let's do while true. Let's get the passport here. So if any dot is loaded, so it's gonna check if the character is low character or not. For in passport, and any, let's check for upper character, a dot each upper for in passport. A in passport, and one more. Let's check for digit. Some dot each digit for a passport. We want, let's get only 3 characters, and then it's in this if statement, and then we put a break to in the while loop. Save it, run it. Sorry, double small. So we got this number. If you wanna print you can do like this way. So you get a random number, random passport combination of ASCII digit and the punctuation. Everything is random here. This is a 15 digit long. If you want to print 10 digit, save it, run it, and this is just a 10 digit. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Run it again. So every time you'll get the random unique passport. Alright, thank you.